Don't compare your life to others. There is no comparison between the sun and the moon. They shine when it's their time. Anything that makes you weak physically, mentally, and spiritually, reject it as poison. There is no fear for one whose mind is not filled with fires. A negative mind will never give you a positive life. You can't control how other people receive your energy. Anything you do or say gets filtered through the lens of whatever they are going through at the moment, which is not about you. Just keep doing your things with as much integrity and love as possible. One moment can change a day. One day can change a whole life, and one life can change the entire world. Don't feel bad if people remember you when they need you. Feel privileged that you are like a candle that comes to their mind when there is darkness. Never see what has been done, only see what remains to be done. Stop trying to calm the storm. Calm yourself, the storm will pass. Silence and smile are two powerful tools. Smile is the way to solve many problems, and silence is the way to avoid many problems. If you can stay positive in a negative situation, you win. Successful people always have two things on their lips. The one is silence and the another is smile. Lovely thing to learn from water. Adjust yourself in every situation and in any shape, but most importantly, find your own way to flow. No one can save us but ourselves. No one can and no one may. We must walk the path alone. Happiness will never come to those who fail to appreciate what they already have. Everything that has a beginning has an end. Make your peace with that, and all will be well. It's easy to see the faults of others, but difficult to see one's own faults. One shows the faults of others like chaff winnowed in the wind, but conceals one's own faults as a cunning gambler conceals his dice. If they respect you, respect them. If they disrespect you, still respect them. Don't allow the actions of others to decrease your manners, because you are representing yourself, not others. Don't get upset with people or situations. Both are powerless without your reaction. What you think you become, what you feel you attract, and what you imagine you create. To understanding everything is to forgive everything. If you are thinking that you only live once, that's false. You live every day. You only die once.